Arey Kamini, why are you so much ashamed like you are a newlywed woman? I am leaving for just 10 days for my official work. Acha listen, if my work ends early, I promise I'll return early. Okay?
Are you sure?
Okay. Take care of your bhabhi, okay? Brother, please don't worry about bhabhi. I'm there, no? I'll take care of her. Okay, then I'll leave. I'm getting late. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Love
Take care.
you.
Bye.
Please take care.
When are you returning my money? Prakash bhai, give me some time. I promise I'll return back your money. You have already wasted 4 months of mine and you are not returning my money. Give me my money within 2 days or else you see what I can do. Prakash bhai, don't worry, I'll do something. What to do? He will not spare me. I don't understand anything.
And tell me, how's your sex life going on? Now, Kavya, what should I say? You know, even after 2 years of marriage, I have no clue how it works, and it's not working between us. Akash does keeps my heart happy, but God knows when the day will come when he will keep my heart and body happy. Alright, fine, leave that. Your husband is really attractive, tall, dark, and handsome. Oh God, what's in the face? He just looks handsome. Otherwise, even he's of no use. He's good for nothing. Even I am really pissed off. Then what do you do? I don't understand where should I go to solve my problem. Should I ask you something? What do you think about me? Seriously, I really like you. What do you think about me? You look really sexy. And you are really hot. No words for that. By the way, listen. Should we try something else? Now what to do? Our husbands are good for nothing, then we have to do something. Come on. You're my happiness and I'm yours. What do you say?
Bhabhi, please come sit here now.
What happened, Vicky?
Please sit.
Why do you look so worried?
Because I cannot see you doing all these things every day.
Problem? What problems would I have in my life? Your brother is a really nice husband. I don't expect anything else.
Bhabhi, women needs are not fulfilled only with a good husband.
What do you mean by that, Vicky?
That only, which you are hiding from me. I have heard you and your friend talking that evening.
Vicky, look. I'm really happy with your brother. The way he is.
Bhabhi, please look into my eyes and say and tell if you are really happy with my brother. Please tell me. Tell me. Bhabhi will have to understand what I'm saying. I will have to make her understand anyhow. Only once. Bhabhi, at last you have understand what I was saying.
Yes, brother-in-law. By the way, needs are also important. Brother-in-law, have this. Have milk.
Bhabhi, milk? But I drink tea in the morning.
Yeah, I know that. But even you need strength just like Akash. Have it. By the way, brother-in-law, yesterday morning you were really concerned about my happiness. And when I tried to get happiness from you, even you left me disheartened just like your brother. Have it.
Bhabhi, actually, I was not sleeping well from last
The
2
one
nights.
who can't be awake, it's better if he sleeps.
Vicky! Prakash bhai, you? I'll return it back to you, your money. I have not come here for your jokes. Return back my money. Prakash bhai, please don't worry. I will return back your money very soon. Please. Bhabhi, you please go inside. Hot and sexy. What are you saying, huh? Your Bhabhi is very hot, huh? Let's do one thing. Give her for a night and you don't have to return my money back. Prakash, how dare you, huh? Come tomorrow afternoon and your work will be done. Okay, I'll come tomorrow. Bhabhi, what happens if me and my brother couldn't satisfy you? But now you will get your happiness for sure. Ha 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 ha. So, Vicky, everything is ready? Prakash bhai, you don't worry. I have set everything for you. Bhabhi is inside. Hmm. Your first installment is done. Now tell me when I should come next. Bhai, whenever you want to come. Okay, tomorrow I'll tell you. Let me tell you, your Bhabhi is very hot. If you want money from me, tell me, okay? Okay, bhai. Don't worry about it.
Sure, brother.
Okay, I'll leave then.
Vicky, what are you mixing in the juice? What's that in your hand? This is the same juice which you give me every day, right? Show me what's in your hand. Show me. Sleeping pills? Then you every day mix this in the juice and give me every day. So that's why I sleep 4 hours in the evening.
Bhabhi, it's not like that. You were taking me wrong. Kamini.
You were supposed to come after 2 days, right? How did you reach so early?
I was missing you so much. That's why I came. Vicky, what happened? Why are you standing like this, like a thief? What happened, Vicky? Huh? No, brother. I'm just like that. Okay, Kamini. I'll just come from the washroom. Okay?
Okay. So, brother-in-law, just like your weapon, why is your face looking so pale?
Bhabhi, I was about to tell you everything. From today, I will not let this happen with you. Bhabhi, promise. Please don't tell my brother about all of this thing.
Alright, I won't tell anything. But even you have to promise me something. The game which you have already started, you will continue playing it.
Bhabhi, what are you saying? All these things.
Yeah, should I say that again?
I understand. I was so worried, Bhabhi. Okay, Bhabhi. From today, this will happen only.
You said that right. Oh my god, today you were really impressive. I didn't expect that you are gonna improve that much. Anyways, whatever. I'm really happy. Today Akash made me really happy.
Bhabhi,
Huh?
yesterday night Prakash called me.
Vicky, please tell him no.
Okay, I'll call him tomorrow.
Vicky, tell him no forever. The happiness which I was searching for, I got it from Akash last night. And now I am really satisfied. Akash was not really out for his business trip. He went to get his illness cured. Kavya, please listen. Yeah, tell me. Do you have any doctor? Doctor, what happened to you? You know the problem of my husband, right? Oh, yeah. I want things to be really fine. Please help me. Yeah, I'll get it done. And now he's fine. Whatever happened has to happen. But from now on... Oh, Vicky?
Whatever Prakash Bhai is saying, just do it. Or else your MMS will be uploaded in social media. Understand? I'm coming tonight. Okay? Be ready. Bhabhi ji, how am I looking? You have remembered me and I have come here.
You are looking really happy today. What is it? So, I was thinking that today we should think of trying something new.
New?
Hmm.
I didn't understand.
I mean to say, it is said that 2 is good but 3 is better. Don't you think we should involve Vicky in this game as well? What do you think?
Very interesting thinking.
Then let's do it.
Bhabhi ji, you have called me and I'm here.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's start the game.
Okay.
Let's go.
Both of you are under arrest.
Inspector sir, thank God you came at the right time. Both of them did really bad with me and even made my MMS. You please arrest both of them.
Bhabhi, both of you are under arrest. What is this, Bhabhi? Come to that police station. Come fast. Come.
Take them, Inspector. Please
Come.
take them.
Inspector,
and
Inspector,
don't
listen to me.
ever leave
Inspector,
them again.
Listen to me, Inspector.
Sorry, Akash. I did a really big mistake.
No, Kamini. Behind all of your worries, it was only me who was responsible. And if you wouldn't have told me the truth about these two, they wouldn't have been arrested till now.
I'm sorry.